Uh-oh. It's round 2 of the Clash of the Titans. Big Dick's level 110, but he decides he wants to fight like a 130. So, I'm a little scared. I'm not even gonna lie. No, I'm not even gonna lie. Piety. Oh, fucking defense pot. Get him. Uh-oh. Coming out strong. God damn it. This little motherfucker wants to be a dick. Don't say my name. Oh man. If I would have had claws, if I would have had free space, totally would have just fucking clawed him right there. This match would have already been over. Watch him win now. Oh shit. Not even gonna lie, I'm scared. Oh wow, misclick. Why didn't I claw again? Oh, I'm such a dumbass. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, oh, oh shit. Oh my god, what the fuck is that shit? Oh, oh, that is crazy. Crazy balls. I can't even type right now. Oh, oh, I feel like shit right now. Oh fuck, he's comboing me. Don't tell me I want to lose to Ben. Ben's horrible. I'm so scared right now. Oh, don't even say lag. Bullshit. Get him, get him, get him. Ah, fuck me, dude. I'm wearing a fire cape. What's going on? It's probably because I'm too shitty to get Barrow's gloves. Yeah, try to set it. Look at that. You see that? A region bracelet. Yeah, that's what I'm wearing. Because I don't even have fucking leather gloves in that fucking box yet. That's how shitty I am. Cause, you know, I got 142 quest points. Yeah, eat that, bitch. Although this fucker right here, he's got like 270 something, cause he's a crazy bastard. Haul balls. Hit him, dude. Fucking A. Now I'm fucking scared of this AGS. About to shit myself. Oh, nice 21, dick. What is that, like a .2? My level of magic, 81. Wow, this account blows. If I lose, I'm quitting, I swear. Ah, 3:30 in the morning, drinking a monster, feeling good, you know? Kicking back, chillaxing, fighting my friend, you know, itching my balls. Got 3 food left. This motherfucker barely eats, man. What is he using? Good fight, little dick. Aw, shit. God damn, he's gonna kill me. I know he's gonna kill me if we fight again. I don't know if I want to fight him again. I don't know if I want to fight him again. I really don't. Little dick, Nori cat, no mo food, no mo. Domo arigato, Mr. Roboto, domo. That's what that shit reminds me of. That's a good song though. We gotta play that shit. I'm putting that on this video at the very end. Maybe. If I know how. I don't really know what to say anymore. I don't really. I'm gonna dance. Let's. Oh, he wants to fight me? Fuck. Yeah, look, Shitty Bank, yes. Everybody, admire the shit. I swear to you, there is nothing good in this bank at all. If you ever want to hack my account, it's not worth it if you want me to be honest. Look at that, 39 fucking crimson, 8 pots, 12 bowls. Shit, I can make a bank vid here. Oh, look at my Rune Guardian. Oh, it's like a squid. Or a big dildo. Oh, infinity though. That's like the best thing in a dark bow. Wow, hit F2 because I'm a dumbass and killed my fire cam, or hyper cam. Wow. Fire cam? What is that bullshit? God, I'm tripping sack. Attack. Strength. Defense. Piety. Hall balls. Alright. Hall balls, hall balls, hall balls. Let's do this. Let's big guy. Biff guy. God, man, I can't type today. I feel like a jackass right now. You know, fire cam, Biff guy. You not watching your health, big dick? The fuck is he talking about, World 2? Oh, wow, wasn't even watching my health, dude. I was checking the clan chat. Don't be a dick, Ben. Don't you be a dick. If you hit me for a 400, I swear to God. That is some scary shit. I'm not even gonna lie. Ben. Oh, asshole clincher. No, you don't pee your pants in a situation like that, Ben. You shit your pants. And then you piss on them. Oh, wow. Wow. Ultimate fail. Log off. Log off. I'm done. Good fight, Ben. Uploading this video on YouTube. I'll talk to you later. Alright. I guess he fell out of his chair. And then he wants to see it. But I also owned him balls hard twice, according to Ben. That is Noire cat right there. Just owned my sack. I'm 129, he's 110. I just lost. I feel like a dick. But, way to fall out of your chair, big dick. See you.